In this video, we are going to learn about evaluation of the integrals. So here integral is 0 to infinity e raised to minus st f of t dt. I have taken the example of related this evaluation of integrals. Here I have written integral of 0 to infinity e raised to minus st sin t dt. So as you know that by definition of Laplace transform, L of sin t equal to integral of 0 to infinity e raised to minus st sin t. So first of all you have to find the Laplace of sin t. The Laplace of sin t is a 1 upon s square plus 1 square. Now we have to equate of e raised to minus st and e raised to minus 3t. So if we'll equate this, we'll get the s equal to 3. So put it over here, 1 upon 3 square plus 1 square, that is 1 by 10. So that is a simple example I have taken up related to the evaluation of integrals. The first problem here I have solved. Evaluate integral of 0 to infinity e raised to minus 2t sine square 2t dt. So we have again here by definition of Laplace transform of sine square 2t is integral of 0 to infinity e raised to minus st sine square 2t dt. So first of all find the Laplace of sine square 2t. So we know that this is the, we cannot apply the direct formula of Laplace to change in the linear form. So as we know that sin square x equal to 1 minus cos 2x upon 2. So here angle is given double angle. So we can multiply with 2, we'll get the half of 1 minus cos 40. So 1 by 2 is common, so we can take outside, and providing the Laplace transform of each terms. Laplace of 1 minus Laplace of cos 40. Now apply the formula. Laplace of 1 is 1 by s. So here I have written 1 by s. And Laplace of cos 40. So use this formula. Laplace of cos 80 equal to s upon s square plus a square. So instead of a, write down here 4. So s upon s square plus 4 square. Now again we have to equate of these equations e raised to minus 2t and e raised to minus st. So here s equal to, we get the 2. So substitute in this, instead of s write down the 2. So half 1 by 2 and here 2 square plus 4 square. So after simplification we'll get here 1 by 5. Now second example I have taken here. Evaluate integral of 0 to infinity e raised to minus 2t sine cube t dt. So again the same procedure apply over here. We have to find the Laplace of sine cube t first of all. So again try to be changed in the linear forms. So I was using the formula sine cube x is 1 by 4 3 sine x minus 3 sine x. So this is in the linear forms. So 1 by 4 is common, so I have taken here outside. Now providing the Laplace transform of each terms. 3 into Laplace of sine t minus Laplace of sine 3t. So now we have to use the formula of Laplace of sine a t equal to a upon s square plus a square. So instead of a is given 1, so write down 1 upon s square plus 1 square minus 1 by 4 multiply of this bracket 1 by 4 into Laplace of sine 3t is 3 upon s square plus 3 square, that is 9. Now equate of these equations e raised to minus st and e raised to minus 2t. So here s equal to, will get the 2. So put it over here. S as a 1 by 2, 2 square plus 1. Here is a 2 square, and after the simplification of this step we'll get the 6 upon 65. Again here I have example taken. Evaluate integral of 0 to infinity e raised to minus 3t cos cube t dt. So same procedures are as previous problems. We have to apply the formula of cos cube x 1 by 4 3 cos x plus cos 3x, and then providing the Laplace transform of each terms, and the Laplace of cos at is s upon s square plus a square, and if we equate we will get the s equal to 3. So this problem you can do it by yourself. Thanks for watching the video.